Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we are going to study the second topic of the chapter integration. Topic title is recognizing integral. Recognizing integrals. Okay? Right. Remember that integration is the inverse of differentiation. Okay? So remember. Remember that, okay, the integration is the inverse of differentiation. Okay? So that differentiation we have studied in the first semester, okay? So we have here some key informations that we are using in this topic, okay? The first one, okay, the integral of e to the x, okay, dx. Okay, the integral of e to the x dx is itself e to the x plus c, okay? Why? As we have studied in the first semester, d dx of e to the x is itself is e to the x. Okay, so if we differentiate e to the x, okay, the answer is e to the x. Okay, as we said, then the integration is the inverse of differentiation. That means if you integrate this e to the x, okay, the answer will come back again to e to the x. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, type. Second one, if we have the same function but e to the function of x or e to the ax dx. Okay, notice the difference between this and this. Okay, here e to the x, but this one e to the ax. Okay, the answer here is just 1 over a e to the ax plus c. Okay, so if we have e to the function of x, e to the ax, the answer or the integral is 1 over a. So you should divide by this coefficient of x, okay, which is a. You need to divide by that 1 over a e to the ax plus c. Okay, but the next one here, the integral of sine x dx. Okay, the integral of sine is negative cosine x plus c. Okay, we have studied in the first semester the derivative of sine is cosine, but here the integral of sine is negative cosine x plus c. Okay, what if we have the sine ax dx? Again, as we did in the first one, you should divide by this a. Okay, so it will be a negative 1 over a cosine ax plus c. Okay, this is related to sine. What about cosine? The integral of cosine x, the integral of cosine x dx, it is sine x plus c. This is the integral of cosine x. Okay, same thing if we have the integral of cosine ax dx. Okay, this is, you have to divide again 1 over a because of this a, 1 over a sine ax plus c. Okay, last one, if we have the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay, the integral of 1 over x dx, this is ln of the modulus of x plus c, and if we have here the integral of, or can write here the integral of 1 over ax, okay, dx. 1 over ax dx. Okay, it's 1 over a ln of the modulus of ax plus c. Okay, this is all key information or all the identities that we are going to use here in this topic. Okay, here we have some examples. Here, this is example number 1. Okay, here we need to integrate 2e power of 4x plus 3 dx. Okay, we need to integrate this one. Okay, this is using what? Which identity? Okay, using the identity of the integral of e to the ax. Okay, so it will be 1 over a. First, for this one, Shabab, you can write this 2 outside. This one could be written as 2 the integral of e power of 4x plus 3 dx. So this one could be written in this form. You can take this 2, see, you can take this 2 outside here. Okay, this one and this one, they are the same thing. 2 the integral of e power of 4x plus 3 dx. Okay, and we know how to integrate this one. Now keep the 2 outside. Okay, so the integral of this is what? As we said before, what is the integral of e to the ax dx? Okay, the answer is 1 over a, right? It's 1 over a e to the ax plus c. This identity, we have to use this identity. Okay, so we say 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. Okay, you have to divide by this 4, ax, 1 over 4, e to the 4x plus 3 plus c, the constant. Okay, so 2 times 4, that will be half in the simplest form. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 4, 2 over 4 is half in the simplest form. Okay, e power of 4x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, question A. Type. For question number B, okay, to answer question B, there is also here 2. This one could be written as 2 the integral of sine for x, the quantity for x plus 3 dx. So just I take this 2 outside. This one is the same thing like this. Okay, just we are taking the 2 outside the integral sign. Okay, and now as we have studied in the identity sine ax, what's the integral of sine ax? Okay, the integral of sine is negative cosine, but because here we have this ax, so you have to divide by this a, you have to divide by 4. Okay, so write 2 as it is. Okay, and here we say negative 1 over 4. Why negative? Because the integral of sine is negative cosine. Okay, then cosine, the same quantity for x plus 3 plus c. Okay, so 2 times negative quarter, that will be negative half in the simplest form. As we said here, 2 times quarter is half. Here, because of this negative, the answer negative half cosine, the quantity for x plus 3 plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now I want you, for each coming questions, I want you to pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, and I will answer. You should check your answer type. For this question, find the integral of 1 over 4x minus 1. Find the integral of 1 over 4x minus 1. Okay? As I told you, pause the video and try to solve this question. Welcome back. This one, to be solved, you have to use the identity of the integral of what? Of 1 over ax dx. The integral of 1 over x, that will be, again, because of this coefficient a, it is 1 over a ln of the modulus of ax plus c. See, so here we have to use this identity, okay, to solve this one. Okay, so we say what here? So because of this coefficient of x or ax, you have to divide by this 4. We say 1 over 4, okay, ln of the same function here, the modulus of 4x minus 1 plus c. That is the answer of this question. We have here some question. This is exercise 5.2a in your book. Okay, this is question number 1. Okay, question number 1 here has a, b, and c. But for this one, the integral of 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, actually, to solve like this type of questions, we need to use the differentiation. Okay, the differentiation is the inverse of integration. Okay, this quantity 1 over 2x minus 3, 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3. Okay, you know that 2x minus 3, square root of 2x minus 3 could be written as 2x minus 3 power of half. Okay, usually the square root, okay, square root of x, it is equal to x power of half. Okay, then if we left this denominator to the numerator, to the top, so it will be 2x minus 3 power of negative half. Okay, any denominator could be shifted to the top by changing the index of the sign of the index. Here the index is half. If you left this one to the top, it will be negative half. Okay, so our question here could be written as the integral of 2x minus 3 power of negative half. Okay, how to use differentiation here to solve this question? Okay, just you need to add 1 to this index. So we say just let the function f of x is equal to 2x minus 3, same quantity, power of what? Power of half. Okay, this half is coming by adding this to 1. By adding negative half to 1. Negative half plus 1 is half. Okay, so we need now to differentiate this one. We say then f prime of x. Do you remember how to differentiate? Yes, we need to multiply, take this half here in front, it will be half, okay, and multiply that by the coefficient of x here, which is 2, okay, then multiply that by 2x minus 3, same quantity, by half minus 1, which is negative half. Okay, so again, to differentiate this one, just take half here in front, it will be half times, okay, the coefficient of x, which is 2, this is the derivative of 2x, which is 2, then the same quantity, multiply that by the same quantity, 2x minus 3 power of half minus 1. This is the way for differentiation, as you have studied in the first semester. It will be negative half. You know that half times 2, it is just 1, okay, by cancelling the 2 with 2, okay, so it will be the whole 1 is equal to what? 2x minus 3 power of negative half. Okay, so this one is the derivative of f of x, this. So what if I integrate? What if I do the inverse? What if I integrate this? 2x minus 3 power of negative half. If I integrate this, I will have this one again. Okay, I want you to compare between this and this. To compare between this one and the given question, the quantity that's required to be integrated. 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3. Okay, actually this one is equal to this, exactly. See, 2x minus 3 power of negative half, and here 2x minus 3 power of negative half. That means if I integrate this one, so we say, therefore, the integral of 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3 dx is equal to what? Again, this quantity is equal to this, exactly. So if I integrate this, I will have this one again, using what? The integration is the inverse of differentiation. So the answer will be what? Equals 2x minus 3 power of half. Okay, plus c. Okay, and the power of half, you know, it is the square root, equals the square root of 2x minus 3 plus c. So this is the answer of question 1a. Okay, this question given in the book. Okay, question 1a. This one could be solved just using what? Just using the identity or the information of the integration is the inverse of differentiation. Okay, question B, I think this one is easier. I want you to pause the video to solve this one. Welcome back. The answer is what? It's 1 over 2. Okay, 2 here is the coefficient of x. Then same function, e power of 2x minus 3 plus c. Just in one step, you can solve this one using which identity? The integral of e to the ax dx. Using this identity, the answer is 1 over a e to the ax plus c. 1 over a, here 1 over 2, here a is 2. So half e to the 2x minus 3, then plus c. Using this identity. What about this? Again, pause the video to solve this one. Okay, the integral of sine. The integral of sine is negative cosine, because here we have ax. So we say negative 1 over 2 cosine, the same quantity, 2x minus 3 plus c. Okay, so this negative because the integral of sine is negative cosine. Okay, so to be negative half 1 over 2, then cosine the same identity, same quantity, 2x minus 3 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, integrate question A, the integral of sine 2x minus cosine 2x dx. Okay, this one here we have two terms inside the integral sine, so we can integrate one by one. I mean, we can write this one as the integral of sine 2x dx minus the integral of cosine 2x dx. Okay, the integral of sine 2x dx minus, because here minus, the integral of cosine 2x dx. We have two terms here, so we can integrate one by one. Okay, what's the integral of sine 2x? The integral of sine is negative cosine, so negative half, because ax here. So negative 1 over a, negative 1 over 2, okay, cosine 2x. Okay, what about this? We say minus, this is a sign in between. The integral of cosine is sine. So we say negative 1 over 2, because here again we have ax, negative 1 over 2 sine 2x, then plus c. So this is the answer of this question just by integrating each term one by one. Okay, so negative half cosine 2x minus half sine 2x plus c. Question B. Here just we have one term for cosine, the quantity 0.1x means ax plus 1.3 dx. You can take this 4 outside, this 4, you can take it outside. So this one could be written like this, 4 times the integral of cosine 0.1x plus 1.3 dx. Could be written like this. Okay, just to keep 4 outside. Then divide that by ax means 0.1. Okay, and you know that the integral of cosine is just sine. So sine, the same quantity, 0.1x plus 1.3 plus c. Okay, what's the answer of 4 divided by 0.1? If you divide up and down by 10, it will be 40 over 1. So it will be 40 sine 0.1x plus 1.3, then plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Question C. Again, here we have two terms. So we can separate, we can integrate one by one. Okay, so this one could be written as the integral of 4 sine 5x minus the integral of 5 cosine 4x, dx. So of course here dx and here also dx. Okay, now let's integrate one by one. Okay, keep the 4 outside. Then you should divide by 5, the coefficient of x, ax. Okay, and the integral of sine is negative cosine, so don't forget the negative. 4 over 5 cosine 5x. Okay, here minus. Here the integral of, we have to keep 5 as it is. Then divide by ax, divide by 4. The integral of cosine is just sine 4x, then plus c. This is the answer of this question. One more question. Here, question A, we need to integrate 5 over x dx. Question A, the integral. This one, shabab, could be written like this. You can take this 5 outside the integral sign. Could be written like this. 5, the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay? Because you know 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 over x could be written as 5, the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay? What's the integral of 1 over x? Yes. So it's what? 5 ln of the modulus of x plus c. Very simple. Okay? So just you should write 5 as it is, and the integral of 1 over x, it's ln of the modulus of x plus c. Okay? This one, as we did here, you can take this 2 outside. The integral of 1 over 5x dx. Okay, because here we have ax, so you should divide by this 5. So 2 over 5 ln of the modulus of 5x plus c. Okay, so this 2 outside, and because of ax, you have to divide by this a. 2 over 5 ln of the same function, 5x plus c. Okay, what about this? The integral of 1 over 5x plus 2 dx. So here we have ax again. So you should divide by 1 over a ln of the same function here, 5x plus 2 plus c. Okay, using the identity of the integral of 1 over ax, which is ln of ax. You have to divide 1 over a first, then ln of 5x plus 2. Now work out these integrals. Again, pause the video and solve these questions. Let's check your answers. For the first one, keep the 2 outside. The integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx. Yes, we are keeping the 2 outside the integral sign. So 1 over x, this is ln. Here the coefficient of x, the a here is 1. So the answer will be what? 2 ln of the modulus of x plus 1 plus c. Okay, 2 ln of the modulus of x plus 1 plus c. Here we have same thing, but we have here 3 in the top, so you can keep the 3 outside. 1 over 2x minus 1 dx. So keep 3. So this 3 should be divided by what? Ax divided by 2. Okay, ln of the function 2x minus 1, then plus c. Okay, what about this? The integral of x squared minus 6 over 2x dx. Okay, this is not 1 over 2x. This is another thing. This is, here we have a function in the top, x squared minus 6 over 2x. Okay, but if we take this algebraic fraction, this one, x squared minus 6 over 2x. This one could be written like this. X squared over 2x minus 6 over 2x. Okay, this one is equal to this, same thing. X squared, first term, divided by 2x minus 6 over 2x. Okay, what about x squared over 2x? X squared divided by x is just x. So this one could be written as half x. Or you can say x over 2, same thing. Minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it will be 3 over x. Okay, so this question could be written like this. The integral of half x, okay, minus 3 over x dx. So just I rearrange this algebraic fraction. So this one is equal to this, half x minus 3 over x dx. Now we can integrate 1 by 1. The integral of half x, okay, the integral of half x just by adding, you know the integration, you have studied in grade 11 how to integrate. Just add 1 to the index, then divide by the new index. Okay, if you add 1, the index here is 1. If you add 1, it will be 2 x squared. Then divide by 2, half divided by 2, that will be quarter. So it will be quarter, okay, x squared, okay, minus the integral of 3 over x. How to integrate 3 over x? Okay, as we have studied, this is 3 ln of the modulus of x, then plus c. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. Quarter x squared minus 3 ln of x plus c. Now let's come to this question. We have here the graph of this function y equals e power of 0.5x minus 2. Okay, the question here is to calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of this shaded region when x equals, from x equals 2, when x equals 2 to x equals 4. Okay, I think you need to recall what you have studied before in grade 11. We have studied this before in grade 11. The area under the graph, this is integration. So to calculate the area, so we say the area is equal to what? The integral from 2 to 4, okay, of this function, e power of 0.5x minus 2 dx. So you need to, the area here is the integral of this function, starting from the point 2 to the point 4. Okay, so how to integrate this one? So it will be 1 over 0.5 ax, 1 over a, e power of the same function, 0.5x minus 2. Okay, and because this is limited integration from 2 to 4. So 1 over 0.5, that will be what? 2. Okay, so this is 2 e power of 0.5x minus 2, okay, from 2 to 4. Okay, there is no plus c here because this is limited integral from 2 to 4. Now we need to plug in 4 for x minus, then plug in 2. So it will be 2 e power of 0.5 times 4 instead of x, then minus 2. Okay, minus 2 e power of 0.5 times 2, x here is 2, minus 2. Okay, so what's the answer here? If you do this by calculator, here 0.5 times 4, that will be 2 e power of 0, right? 0.5 times 4, it is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, minus 2 e power of 0.5 times 2, that will be 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Okay, you know that 2 e power of 0 is 1. Any number power of 0 is 1. Okay, so it will be 2 minus 2 over e. E power of negative 1 is negative 2 over e. Okay, and this will be final answer. If you do this by calculator, it's 1.26. Okay, so the area here under the graph, it's 1.2x. Okay, I hope you understand this part. Okay, and that is the last question in this lesson. I hope you understand everything. Thank you everyone, and see you inshallah next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.